And now, the Ouchie Beck Ballet.
Once upon a time, a handsome bird named Luis was flying high, when all of a sudden he bent over to get a delicious worm, and then he hurt his back. What could he do? He couldn't fly, he couldn't stand up. He didn't get the worm, and
at the edge of the water, long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect author, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go.